Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one we're doing Take the Dog from Adventure Time.
Yep.
Okay, let's do this.
Yep.
Here we go. So easy. We're gonna start in the top middle section here, and we're just gonna draw a small oval black nose.
Yep.
Just that. You got that? Let's see. Here we go. And now we're going to draw two lines coming out from there. One that way and one that way. You got those? Now we are going up and around, over the top and back down, and complete it on the other side. So
And right here.
you did it already?
Yes.
Yes, that's perfect. Okay. So now that's Jake's nose basically. And now we need to fill in two circles around here and around there. But you don't complete the circles tucks behind the nose shape. So one here and one on the other side. Oh, my one eye is a bit wonky. Your eyes is cute. Okay. And now we draw crescent shapes within the eye. So a crescent is a moon shape. You know when the moon is just like a little thin piece, a thin curve, it's called a crescent. So like that, and like that. Yeah. And we can color that in. Two crescent shapes. My eyes is a bit weird, but it's okay.
Yes.
So now, over the top of everything, we're going to draw a dome.
Another two.
But check the height of the nose thing.
Yes.
Midway, so that height there, from about there, and we go over and we stop there. So do this, and we're going to be careful, and one smooth line. Yep.
Yes.
And now we're going to draw just within that. We're going to draw a little line down, just like that. And on the other side, we do the same, a little line down.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to curl these tips over, and it forms Jake's ears, like his ears is hanging, or like almost, it's like his skin, but it kind of looks like it could be his hairstyle as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that you can actually see it looks like Jake's face. But now we need to fill in his mouth. One little line there. Can you fit in 3 teeth? 1, 2, 3.
My call.
Okay, 2 is fine. 2 is fine. And a mouth line at the bottom. And we can fill in the tongue in there. Remember? Yeah, that's good. That's good. So now we leave that little space. We can leave it, or do you want to leave the space, or we're gonna just continue and draw his arms coming out of the side?
Nah.
You want the space?
Yes.
So we leave a little space on the one side and we draw a line coming down. The other side, you can leave the space, or you can just complete the line. Up to you. What do you want to do? Full space?
Yes.
Could we leave another space? So that's the space for his other arm. Okay, so we're going to bring this in, leave us 2 spaces there for legs, and remember, Adventure Time characters has thin legs, so we can leave small spaces. There we go. And there we both have Jake's body. His body is complete.
Yeah.
Now for this leg, we're going to draw just a line down, follow that line again. So we have a leg shape, and we can just add a little foot shape to that. Exactly the same thing on the other side. So you draw a shape, you follow it with another one, and you make a little foot shape. Your Jake looks cuter because he's shorter. And now the one arm over here
Take
You
away.
can just bring it up there. Remember, Jake has weird limbs that can go longer and shorter. He can stretch.
And Joey, turn your off to also.
Yeah, you can make it as long as you want. You can do what you want to do there. And I'm just adding, see, 3 finger shapes to that end there.
And then you have a buff arm.
Yeah, yours is a buff arm. Now, the right arm, sorry, that shape, similar to the arm we drew on Finn. And draw it that way, and we stop there, and we can make 3 little knuckles to make it look like a fist. And there we have it.
Yeah.
That's Jake the dog, everybody. Yours is cute and stumpy with a buff arm.
Yes.
Okay, so how many colors can we use here? We're gonna need yellow or orange and a bit of pink.
Yellow.
Okay, it's yellow. And a bit of pink for the tongue. And the inside of the mouth can be like 2 shades of a red and a pink
The
maybe.
mama is actually.
Okay, so you can do 1 shade there.
I didn't.
I'm gonna go here and do that.
I didn't dye in the dark purple then.
Winter time, come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. We'll take the dog and then the human. The fun will never end. It's adventure time.
Get this here.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Jake the dog. Put your arm, move your arm a bit. Did everybody see? There we go. That's our Jake's. My Jake is a bit orange.
Yeah.
Izzy doesn't like my orange Jake. But your Jake is looking.
I liked it. Not
You like your yellow one.
I don't
Your
like.
Jake, your Jake is looking.
I don't like.
You don't like our orange Jake?
No, I like the original one.
The original one is good. He looks very cool. Okay.
Yes.
So thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.